Hello and welcome. Today we're about to uncover the story of a remarkable molecule that quietly works behind the scenes to keep you healthy and energized every single day. We're diving into the world of glutamine, a name you might not hear often, but one that plays a starring role in your body's daily functions. Glutamine is a true multitasker, and whether you're an athlete, a busy parent, or just someone trying to stay healthy, this molecule is working for you. Glutamine is an amino acid, one of the essential building blocks of protein. It's found everywhere in your muscles, organs, and especially in your immune system. In fact, it's the most abundant amino acid in your bloodstream, making up a huge part of your body's protein reserves. What makes glutamine unique is that it's conditionally essential. That means your body can usually make enough on its own. But when you're under physical stress, fighting an illness, or recovering from injury, your demand for glutamine skyrockets. In these times, you need to get more from your diet or supplements to keep up. So what exactly does glutamine do for you? The answer is a lot more than you might think. Glutamine helps your body create other amino acids and even glucose, which is a vital source of energy. It's also the preferred fuel for your immune cells, helping them fight off infections and keep you feeling your best. Another important job, glutamine helps maintain your body's acid-base balance, which is crucial for keeping your cells and organs functioning properly. Without this balance, your body would struggle to perform even the most basic tasks. If you don't have enough glutamine, your immune system can slow down, making you more vulnerable to colds, infections, and feeling run down. It's like your body's defense team is running low on fuel. But perhaps glutamine's most vital, vital job is supporting your gut. Your digestive system is more than just a food processor. It's a complex ecosystem that affects your mood, your immunity, and your overall health. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria and is responsible for absorbing nutrients, producing important hormones, and even communicating with your brain. A healthy gut can mean a healthier, happier you. Glutamine is the main fuel for the cells lining your intestines. It keeps your gut barrier strong, preventing harmful invaders from sneaking into your bloodstream and ensuring you absorb all the nutrients from your food. When your gut barrier is healthy, you get better nutrient absorption, more energy, and stronger protection from illness. Eating a balanced diet rich in glutamine, like leafy greens, beans, and lean meats, can help keep your gut in top shape. During times of stress, intense exercise, or illness, your body's need for glutamine increases dramatically. That's when it becomes essential for repairing your gut lining and supporting your immune defenses. In the next scenes, we'll take a closer look at just how crucial glutamine is for your digestive system and why it's truly your body's unsung hero. So let's explore together how this remarkable amino acid helps you thrive, stay resilient, and enjoy a vibrant, healthy life. Picture your intestines as a high-security city wall, one cell thick but incredibly smart. This wall is not just a passive barrier, it's an active, dynamic system that plays a crucial role in your overall health. This gut lining decides what nutrients get in and what stays out, acting as your body's first line of defense. It's like a vigilant gatekeeper, allowing essential nutrients to pass through while keeping harmful substances at bay. It absorbs vitamins, minerals, and water, while blocking toxins, bacteria, and undigested food. This selective permeability is vital for maintaining a balanced internal environment. The cells making up this lining, called enterocytes, are held together by tight junctions. Think of them as the mortar between bricks. These tight junctions are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the gut barrier. These tight junctions keep the barrier sealed, protecting your internal environment. They ensure that the gut lining remains impermeable to harmful substances, thus safeguarding your health. But this barrier is under constant attack from food, medications, stress, and gut bacteria. Each of these factors can compromise the integrity of the gut lining, making it more permeable and less effective. Enterocytes are replaced every few days, so they need a steady supply of energy and building blocks. This rapid turnover means that the gut lining is always in a state of renewal, requiring constant nourishment. Glutamine is the key fuel that keeps this barrier strong and functioning. It provides the necessary energy for the enterocytes to regenerate and maintain the tight junctions. Without enough glutamine, the wall weakens and your health can suffer. A compromised gut barrier can lead to a host of health issues, including increased susceptibility to infections and chronic inflammation. Next, let's see how glutamine powers your gut's defenses. Understanding this process can help you make informed choices about your diet and supplements to support your gut health. Enterocytes, the cells lining your gut, crave glutamine as their main energy source. They use up to 40% of your body's glutamine just to keep the gut lining healthy and constantly regenerating. Glutamine powers cell division, repairs the gut wall, and helps produce mucin, the protective mucus layer. It also strengthens tight junctions, preventing leaks, and keeping harmful substances out of your bloodstream. When glutamine is plentiful, your gut barrier stays strong and inflammation is kept in check. It even calms the immune response in your gut, reducing unnecessary inflammation. Glutamine is truly a multitasker, fuel, builder, and peacekeeper for your digestive system. But what happens when this barrier breaks down? Let's find out. When the gut barrier weakens, you get what's called leaky gut. Tiny gaps form between cells, letting unwanted substances like toxins and bacteria leak into your bloodstream. This triggers your immune system, causing chronic inflammation that can lead to digestive issues, joint pain, skin problems, fatigue, and even autoimmune conditions. Causes include stress, processed foods, certain medications, and gut bacteria imbalances. Glutamine helps repair these gaps, restoring the gut wall and reducing inflammation. Keeping your gut barrier strong is key to overall health. When it comes to supporting your gut and overall health, the best way to get glutamine is to start with food. Focusing on a food-first approach means you're not just getting glutamine, but also a wide range of other nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that work together to nourish your body. Animal proteins like beef, chicken, fish, and dairy are some of the richest sources of glutamine. These foods are not only packed with protein, but they also provide essential amino acids that help your body repair and rebuild tissues, support your immune system, and keep your gut lining strong. Eggs, cottage cheese, and yogurt are easy, versatile options to boost your daily intake. You can enjoy them at breakfast, as snacks, or even add them to salads and smoothies for an extra protein punch. If you follow a plant-based diet, don't worry. There are plenty of options for you too. Tofu, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds are all excellent plant-based sources of glutamine. Including a variety of these foods in your meals can help you meet your needs without relying on animal products. Leafy greens like spinach and cabbage, as well as fermented foods such as sauerkraut, also provide glutamine. These foods not only support your gut with glutamine, but fermented foods add beneficial probiotics that further enhance gut health and digestion. Bone broth is another excellent source, rich in glutamine and other gut healing nutrients like collagen and minerals. Sipping on bone broth or using it as a base for soups and stews is a comforting way to support your digestive system. Eating a variety of these foods ensures you get enough glutamine, along with other essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. A diverse diet helps cover all your nutritional bases and keeps meals interesting and enjoyable. Remember, a balanced whole food diet is the true foundation of gut health. It's not just about one nutrient, but about the synergy of many working together to keep your digestive system and your whole body in top shape. Whenever possible, prioritize real, unprocessed foods over packaged or highly processed options. Fresh produce, quality proteins, and whole grains are always your best bet for optimal health. Now that you know how to get glutamine from your diet, let's explore the signs that your gut might need some extra support and attention. How do you know if your gut needs help? Digestive symptoms like bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, and heartburn are classic warning signs. But poor gut health can also show up as frequent infections, fatigue, skin issues like eczema or acne, and even brain fog or low mood. New food sensitivities may also signal a leaky gut. These symptoms are your body's way of asking for support. Recognizing them is the first step to healing. Glutamine can help repair your gut lining and calm inflammation. Let's see when supplementation might be useful. Sometimes your body needs more glutamine than food alone can provide, like after surgery, illness, or intense exercise. In these cases, glutamine supplements can speed up gut repair and support your immune system. Athletes and people with gut issues like IBS may benefit from extra glutamine. Supplements, usually in the form of L-glutamine powder, are easy to take and quickly absorbed. Start with a small dose and consult your doctor before adding any supplement. Remember, supplements are just one tool. Real food and healthy habits matter most. Use glutamine wisely as part of a bigger gut healing plan. Now let's talk about other ways to keep your gut happy. Glutamine is powerful, but gut health is about more than one nutrient. Feed your gut bacteria with plenty of fiber from fruits, veggies, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi for probiotics. Manage stress. Chronic stress can harm your gut and disrupt your microbiome. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Prioritize sleep. Your gut repairs itself while you rest. Stay hydrated to support digestion and nutrient absorption. Combine these habits with a glutamine-rich diet for the best results. A healthy gut supports your whole body from immunity to mood. Small daily changes can make a big difference. Glutamine is a key defender of your gut, fueling cell repair and keeping your digestive barrier strong. A healthy gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, and more energy. Include glutamine-rich foods in your diet and consider supplements if you're under extra stress or healing. Remember, gut health is built on diverse foods, probiotics, stress management, sleep, and hydration. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. Embrace glutamine as part of your wellness routine. Here's to a happier, healthier gut and a healthier you.